Carson Mullins, based out of Richmond, Kentucky. It's CMG Trucking, LLC. It's just a company me and Dad started, Glen Mullins and Carson Mullins. Just one truck. This is a 2007 379. It's got 1.7 million miles on it. We bought this truck off a close friend back in January. It's got a 550 Cat MXS twin turbo, 13 speed, 336 rear. So it's all stock pretty much. Very dependable, just a workhorse. We put the step boxes on it and the deck plate and stuff like that on it. It was pretty much the way it was. Just cleaned it up a whole lot, painted the frame on it, and it's about all. I redid the inside. It's got a hardwood floor in it and stuff like that. It is the original paint on it. The top of the sleeper was repainted, I believe, 2 years ago, but the hood and stuff is factory paint from '07 on it. The trailer is a 2019 Mack trailer. It was actually inside this Louisville truck show in 2019. It's 102 wide, 40 foot long, 66 inches tall. Just a owner-operator show spec trailer. Spread axle. It'll haul a load. It gets on down the road with it.